We'll create a dispersion effect in Illustrator using opacity mask and mezzo tint. We have 3 layers. Bottom one is the background color. Middle layer is the main photo that we're going to apply the dispersion effect, and third layer is where we're going to work. Create a shape which will cover the entire surface of your photo. Apply the gradient effect. Black and white would do the trick, but for this video, I'm going to change the black color to match the background color. Play with the gradient color slider to adjust the transition. Select the shape. From the Effect tab, select Mezzo Tint. Choose your favorite dispersion style from the drop-down Type tab. We're going to rasterize this image now. Go to Object and select Rasterize. Make sure the background is set to transparent. Image Trace. Open the Image Trace Options tab. Reduce the noise. Adjust the corners to get the desired distressed look. Same process for the paths and threshold sliders. The objective is to get the vintage, dispersed, weathered graphic design. It's a trial and error thing. No right way to do it. Totally up to you. Ignore the white color. We only need the black. Expand. Select the dispersed shape. Unlock the second layer. Cut it from the third layer. We're going to use this as an opacity mask. In the Transparency tab, double-click on an empty square and paste the shape. Select Invert Mask. Select the main image to fix the opacity mask position. If you want to edit the opacity mask, double-click on the black square to activate the edit mode. Now you can scale, reposition, rotate, or do anything you want with the transparency mask. Select the main image next to the black square to quit editing the transparency mask.